Gang, Aero Energy. How awesome is this mix? It's just absolutely spot on. If you love house music, you love music at 140 BPM, I do, then this is an absolute, I've been using it for steps, a little bit fast for step, so I slightly pitch it down. But aerobics, warm up, I mean everything. It's so good. I'm going to be using this weekend for the aerobics masterclass. So if you're teaching aerobics today, maybe this will inspire you to do a few combinations. Come and join me live. Let me do this. So let's go from, it's just awesome, this mix is. So let's put a few favourites together for you because it's Monday. What about my favourite Grapevine Diamond, which I love, all the way. You've seen me do that a million times. And then add a walk forward with a knee lift and a walk back and a single, double. So easy. Grapevine Diamond left. So you could start with just 4 grapevines. Good morning. And then a walk forward with a knee and then a lunge. Single. I'll do that one more time. Let's do some simple combos today. There we go. A little turn. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, YouTube. Walk. And then lift. Nikki. Have you seen my Instagram? I tagged you. Grapevine left. Did you see all those 40 comments about it? One more. Walk forward. Walk. I've got this on in my car. I'm using it every day. Now let's do an easy combo. 1 box step forward. Is this Sam, Nikki? Good, now double. Then let's add a chasse. And then back. 2 more. 1 more. So let's do a box step. Let's do 1 forward, 1 back. Single, double curl. And then chasse. Good. And again, so we're just keeping it simple. 1 more. So if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. And there's your 32 counts. And left. Box. Single. Double. Liam said, I thought it was Sam. And then back. This track. Yay! It's a proper anthem. 1 more. So let's put those 2 together. Grapevine. Yes! Good, now turn. 1 more. Just simple choreography. Walk forward, knee, and then lunge. Doubles. Grapevine, go left. Again. Drop something. Lee and Sam thought it was Sam. Walk forward, here we go. 1. And there's your lunge. So we can nail that, no problem. Second combination, box step forward, now back, single curl, double, and then 4 chasses. I mean, you could easily insert different moves into that. I'm just going to keep it simple for this morning. 1 box step, 1 back, and of course, if you want the choreography, comment choreography, and I'll send it to you today. Okay, let's put a 3rd combo in. Let's add 2 chasses forward. March. Chasse back. What about a quickie? Out and in. And then a wide march. 1, 2, 3. Chasse. This track. Coming in. Now back. Good. Quickie. And then out. Out. 1, 2, 3. Let's go again. 2 chasses. This is how I like it. Whenever I put on my Pure Energy Music app, there's new music to try and choreograph new stuff too. Wide. Let's go. Grapevine. Put the 3 together. Feel the energy. Walk forward. 1. Now lunge. Now double. Grapevine left. Now, if you like this type of vibe, then join me on Saturday. Walk forward. We've got a busy masterclass. And you can join me at Nottingham University. Why not? Box step. Here we go. Now back. Single, double. And then I'll just do 4 chassés. I mean, that's just taken me just a few minutes to break down. You could add lots more variations, or you could keep it simple. Single, beat drops, chassé, oh yeah. But let me know if you've tried this album yet. Chassé forward, number 3. Now back, quickie, and then wide, ba, ba, ba. Chassé again. And then what you could even do is you could zigzag this. So you could do combo 1 on the right, combo 2 on the left, combo 3 on the right, and then reverse it. Grapevine. Yes. It's just awesome. Walk forward, and then back, and then lunge. Just like this. So you do number 2 now, box step, now back, single, single, now double, and then chassé. And then I go back to combo 3 on the right, chassé forward. So that will elongate your choreography and you combo even more. Quickie, and then wide march. Then you go back on the top. Yes! Did you enjoy that? That was nice for a little bit of a Monday morning. Let me know what you think. The music is from Pure Energy Music app and it's called Aero Energy number 12. All of this series is brilliant. So good. Highly recommend it. If this sort of style of 90s house, I mean it's very modern but it's just got that nod back to the 90s, then this is definitely an album to get hold of. It's so good. Aerobic step, you could pitch it down a little bit. I've had a change round, Rich. I needed a change. But yeah, let me know what you think. And if you've used it, let me know. Let me and Nikki know. We love to hear how you're getting on with it and what you enjoy. And if you'd like that vibe. Okay, so what I've got to tell you, we've got the Content Creation Day on Thursday in Lichfield, Staffordshire at the beautiful country club. Let's sort all your content out for the entire year. Gosh, that's a tall order. I'll try my best. Let's do that. Bring changes of clothing. We've got photographers, videographers. It's all happening. And then on Saturday, I've got the Aerobics Masterclass in Nottingham at Nottingham University. And Richard, you could come to that. You live down the road. You could do some aerobics for it. All right, I better do my supporter briefing. And Reformer. Oh my gosh, more Reformer. If you want face-to-face Reformer teacher training, come and join me. I'll be running exclusive, small, face-to-face teacher training Reformer for 5 teachers. And it will be fitness Pilates and we'll also be doing level 3. We'll still be doing online every month because there's people from all over the world that can't access a face-to-face. But if you want to come in person to a very small teacher training, very exclusive, here at Choreography to Go head office, get in touch with me because I'm taking names for the wait list. The first one starts on Friday the 5th of September. All right, everybody, have a lovely day. Stay positive, shine brightly, and we'll see you on the next one.